Sparky Sparks here. So yesterday I arrived in Dallas and I showed you guys how I freshened up my wig. Today I have on Spotlight in Fiery Copper. So let me just part her. And what I wanted to show you is my new gadget. It's called a beard straightener. And it's actually like a miniature curling iron, if you will. Has 3 settings. I have it on the lowest setting. And what I can do with this is either with my hair on or off, take the ends, and I like to comb through a little bit first and just run the beard straightener like this through it. And it works like a heat comb, but it's not as bulky. So it packs really well. It has a cover for it. It's just really super nice. It straightens out those frizzy ends. So I hope that's helpful. A beard straightener, and I got this from Amazon. It's rechargeable, and it's super handy. I think you could throw it in your purse and use it for a little touch-up. With these long wigs, they get tangled more at the nape of the neck, more frequently than the shorter wigs. So I hope that's helpful, and have a great day.